Hello guys, welcome to Spyro Tech 365. Today I am going to show you how to add a video inside the text. So to do this, first of all we have insert our footage into the timeline and then we'll create a text. Then we'll apply trackpad key effects panel. We'll choose video tracker 2 here. So by this way you can add the video inside the text. So now we make this one. We'll insert a keyframe for scale. So that's it for today. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere.